Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Here are some fresh jackfruit seeds, and each seed has a little bit tough outer skin. You can take off the skin of each seed by pounding them with something heavy, but I will show you how I do it. First, add the jackfruit seeds into a pan and then add water just to cover the seeds. Then keep it on the stove on medium heat and then cover it with a lid. Let it cook for about 10 minutes and then open the lid and then stir it. Then cover with the lid again and then continue to cook. Remember to open it from time to time and then stir it until it's cooked for about 30 minutes. It's preferable if you have a lid with a small opening where the steam can go out, which would prevent any water going out onto the flame. After cooking for about 30 minutes, you can take out one of the seeds and check whether it's tender. I cut it with a knife to see whether it's tender. It's still not tender enough, so I am putting it back into the pan. After about another 5 minutes, I checked, and this time it was tender. I cooked the seeds for a total of 35 minutes. Cooking time may vary depending on the freshness of the raw jackfruit seed. Switch off the stove and let the jackfruit seeds cool down in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer to a separate bowl and let it cool completely. Now you can peel off the skin easily the way I am showing you here. Make sure not to cut your fingers with the knife. After peeling the skin off, you can use these boiled jackfruit seeds to make variety of dishes. I will be bringing some recipes with jackfruit seeds in the coming videos. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for being here. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.